so today I got a little sort of just a refresher and a new little technique I've been playing around with. So what we're going to do is we're just going to create a basic sort of hinging joint. Um, we can create it using multiple parts. I don't care how you create it. Just follow these basic steps and you'll be able to successfully achieve your this like hinging joint idea. So what I'm going to do is start with some colors, and I'm going to just create like a ball and joint socket basically for an arm, a shoulder, arm, elbow. And for each part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert to symbol, change it to a movie clip, and I'm going to change this to shoulder. Here I'm going to create a upper arm. So here's one thing also that you can adjust. If we're going to keep all these on the same layer, if you need to push something forward or back, arrange, bring to front, and you'll see it comes to the front. Now I'm going to create again this will be an elbow. F8, elbow. And then again, this forearm. Or lower arm. So we're setting this up just how we did the walk cycle, except we had the pre-existing character made for that. And here what we're going to do is I'm going to modify, align, or arrange, send to back. Okay, so now I've got this ball hinging animation joint set up. So what we're going to do from this point is we're going to select the bone tool. Ooh. And then just click and drag. And let's see how this works. So I'm going to undo that. I'm going to start at the top, work my way here to the next joint, and just see drag, release, click and drag and release, click and drag and release. Okay, now I know if you want to adjust any of the joints in here, give ourselves some frames. Align, arrange, send to back. Okay, now using my arrow tool, and if I use my free transform tool, you'll notice the pivot points. This is actually where the joints will be. So if I click back on my selection tool, click back on here, you'll notice that the elbow changed. I'll do it again once more here. Bring this up. Click over here, and then you'll see it's going to rotate from that point. Now, when I animate this, I'm going to click here using my selection tool, and you're going to see how this animates really, really easy. And it's an IK setup. So dragging it from this point, it doesn't work so well because it's creating some type of IK system here. But when you move it from this point, it works extremely well. And you can continue this and animate this very, very easily. But we do see a little hiccup here, so let's see why that's happening. And I have a feeling it happened when I adjusted my pivot point. So let's go ahead and click on here, and let's just move it upwards and just see what happens. And that's probably all it was. So, you could do, this could be a foot also, like a leg, elbow, foot, knee kind of thing. But it works very, very well. I don't care what kind of animation you create, just as long as you have 1, 2, 3, 4 movie clip symbols, and that animate at 5 poses in 50 frames or something. That should be fine. Again, since they're all in the same layer, that's the way it sets it up. This all needs to be layered on its own. So you need to go to Modify, Arrange, and if I want to bring this to the front, bring to front. And now it should change it for the entire thing, and there it goes. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next time.